Good morning, everybody. We're back in Disneyland using our magic key for the first time.
Yeah!
So that's awesome.
We didn't tell them what we did.
What we do. Goofy's Fly School is probably the scariest ride ever, purely because it always feels like you're about to fall off the edge of the ride. Like, look at these turns. Oh! Look, I got a magic card for wait times.
We're the chosen ones.
Oh, it stopped. I didn't do very well explaining it during the walk for Goofy's Fly School, but they gave us a little lanyard with a red card on it, which if you ever get those, one, you should feel special. But that also tells cast members how long the line is. But we jumped on Incredicoaster and did Goofy's Fly School.
Made our way around the pier, got on Golden Zephyr.
And then now we're going to Grand Cal to get some coffee.
Yeah.
Some snack.
Yeah, so if you ever don't want to wait like at the Starbucks line that's at like the front of the park, just walk over through the Grand Cal entrance over by Grizzly River Run and go to the left and go over to Craftsman's Grill, and they have coffee there, and it takes 5 minutes and it's cheap and it's good. So much easier to do that.
Yes.
So let's go.
Abby does this thing where she runs away from me in the park.
I'm walking so slow. I'm actively trying to walk slow.
I like to take my time and walk through the park, but Abby decides to run. Look at all this yummy stuff.
This stuff's different than last time. Oh, this is the same.
A muffin.
Look at the donut.
Oh, it's a donut. That's so adorable. You got cinnamon rolls, crumble cakes, croissants. This is a pretty sweet little spot.
Spinach and feta Danish. Sounds good. No, never mind.
Check out the menu. Breakfast stuff, and then lunch and dinner, quick serve stuff. So adorable. The seasonal donut, a chocolate muffin, and 2 coffees.
$16.
$16.
With our discount.
Yeah.
Now that we have one.
I think the discount was only like $2 or something like that.
$2.63. Do you know the rules?
What's the rules?
You have to eat the ears first.
Oh, okay.
How's the ear? Is it like a vanilla wafer?
It tastes like just straight chocolate.
Really?
I'm curious what it is. Yeah, it's just like a
like a chocolate disc.
Wafer.
Waffle. And then that's just the donut.
Nice chocolate cake donut.
So you
it's
didn't
really sweet.
You didn't save me one of the ears?
Oh, sorry. It's really rich. The chocolate like glaze that they put over it.
Mm-hmm. Good?
Stains your fingers.
Okay, good to know.
It's good though.
Good. Good donut.
Not super moist, but it's good. The list is kind of long of ingredients, but pretty much if you're allergic to anything, this is not the donut for you. We're gonna go meander on through some stores while we would finish up our coffees.
And then we have a lightning lane for Midway Mania.
Sorry, we had to stop and help some people get a Polaroid taken. I think that was Abby's first time taking a Polaroid. But we have a lightning lane for Toy Story Mania, so we're gonna meander on through the stores and then go over there and then keep on going. All the Disney 100 merch. Chocolate
To be a
bars.
Mickey and Minnie's pin.
That's cute. Oh, look at his little cheeks. Hey, look, it's Ant-Man. He's looking rather large. Okay, we got the beef bulgogi burrito from Lucky Fortune Cookie. It's pretty good. I've had it before. Yeah. And then the Japanese Moscow Mule.
I don't like mules. That's all his. Okay, so we're in Disneyland now. It's about 1:18. We got in the virtual queue for Mickey and Minnie's. We are supposed to get on around like 4 o'clock, so that should be fun. We're going to probably Big Thunder like in the next like 30 minutes for our Genie Plus. And what do you want to do right now?
Let's ride the train.
Let's ride the train! Oh, now you're interested in the horses? What about my horse that you would never wanted anything to do with, that you were scared of? Rude. Say it again.
I love you.
Say it again. Say it again. Go ahead. Say it again. Oh God.
Good morning. We struggled to videotape yesterday, mostly because we left from our house at about midnight. We got in at 7:30, but it was still a lot of fun. And then towards the end of the day, we went back into the park after being in the hotel for 20 minutes. We got in line for Mickey's Minnie's, and then the ride broke down and we waited for probably like an hour and a half. That was the only thing we were gonna do the rest of the day. Both Abby and I kind of feel like the queue for Mickey and Minnie's here in California isn't as good as the one in Florida. Florida is more theater themed, while this is a little bit more like a museum of all the Disney props and all that stuff. They're both still really good rides. We got our queue for this morning for Mickey and Minnie's, so we will be heading into the park and doing that. We'll show a little bit more of Toon Town, so hope you guys enjoy it, and again, apologies for the first day's worth of videos, but it is what it is. Excited for day 2 of the ride?
I'm just hoping it doesn't break down again.
Look at all these nice snacks. Abby, you made a mess. Back through the Toon Wall.
Do we have to stay in the real world? Because I have homework due this week that I don't want to do. We need to stay in the Toon World. What do you want to go right now? We're free. We have nothing scheduled.
Let's go get some food.
That's it.
Hey, what are you doing looking in my mailbox? I don't look in yours.
You're right, that's wrong.
Yeah, we're messed up.
This is much better than playing patty cake.
Oh my.
Oh,
calm
God.
down.
Oh my gosh.
We're leaving.
What'd you do? What'd you do this time?
Oh my God, I don't want to tell you. It's embarrassing.
I don't know how secure this really is. Oh, she broke out.
Wait, you want to see how strong I am?
Let's go, weak sauce. Yeah, okay.
Would you like to drive a fire truck?
Okay, let's talk about that fire truck. Needs to be kept up to date. It's got flat tires. It's tiny. I think we got some problems there. But what's cool is there's this little waiting area next to all of the Toon Towns. Oh, looks like Abby just got certified as a firefighter. You look rather large to be sitting on that fire truck.
I'm not that tall. Out of my way. I'm attending to the fire.
Oh, I think you just ran me over.
Alright. Let's go back to the real world.
Alright, we hit the bathrooms right before trying to go find some food, and the train pulled in, so we're gonna do a lap around the park.
Go to Main Street, look for some food, and then maybe try to go into Tomorrowland?
Yeah, I think so. Get a lightning lane for Space Mountain.
Yeah, let's see. 12:40.
All them chickens. This has to be one of our most fun adventures.
I think so.
Sitting in the train. That's awesome. Look at all them people.
Look at all them chickens.
I already did that joke with the T-Rex's babies.
Do you want to get a chimichanga first? I don't think Splash's weight is going to go up.
I don't think so. Let's go get a chimichanga.
Okay.
Alright, change of plans. We're going to Smugglers because it's only like a 25-minute wait right now. And we're gonna grab some food from Docking Bay and Ronto probably. Just because they're the earliest food windows. Most places here in Disneyland and even California Adventures don't start serving food until about 10 o'clock. So if you're betting on food in Disneyland, I would suggest getting like, I don't know, McDonald's or something like that outside of Disneyland before you come into the parks.
Yeah, there's not a lot of morning.
Up until about 10 o'clock, it's really difficult. Even popcorn or pretzels is very difficult to find. What's your favorite breakfast here in Disneyland?
This is the only offering in Disneyland for breakfast, so
That's true.
It has to be this. I like it because the first time I had the actual Ronto wrap, it was really spicy. I don't like any spice at all. And the breakfasts are not spicy. But the last couple times I've had like the actual Ronto wrap, it hasn't been spicy, so I've been trying to get it. But the only time we seem to come over here is in the mornings, so I never get the actual Ronto wrap. So you have to promise me that on this trip we're gonna get a real one.
We'll get a real one, but the actual Ronto wraps have this peppercorn slaw, and that tends to be a little bit spicy just because of the amount of pepper in it. But other than that, it's not really spicy. So if you can handle like a decent amount of pepper, you'll be able to handle it. Abby just can't
It's varied
handle.
for me in the past.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
So
think it just depends on what you get that day.
absolutely. We're in about to get a couple drinks. Such a great place to be able to get drinks.
When we walked up and they're like, oh yeah, 15-minute wait. So we went and got a Ronto and now we're here.
Absolutely. Check it out. Alright, we just picked up the Yub Nub Series 2. It's a blue cup. Same, I think it's pretty much the same design, but it's a Series 2 cup. And so I think it's blue this time. Abby got the fuzzy tauntaun.
I don't have that one drink that I like from Disney World.
Alright, we're heading over to Splash Mountain, but we're going to hit Haunted first, because Haunted I think is a, 30-35 minute wait,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna hit Splash, and then depending on how...
Last time I was here, I said it was the last time that I was gonna ride it, but it's still open. So I think we're just gonna stop saying this is the last time ever we're gonna ride it because it just closed to Disney World. But Splash is open as far as we know, and there's like no closing date, like even close to being announced. So we're just gonna go on Splash again.
Alright. Haunted Mansion broke down, so we decided to bail out and
Go on Winnie the Pooh and then get on Splash. So Splash is a 30-minute wait right now and Pooh's 15. So we never do Pooh. Let's do Pooh.
let's go Winnie the Pooh and then Splash, and then we might go back to the hotel. We'll see.
We have a lightning lane for space in 20 minutes. Maybe we won't.
We'll see.
You know, like, they don't give it to you right away.
Look at that.
I don't want this. I feel like this would be really cute with what I'm wearing right now. Like this instead of the pink one on.
It's kind of cute. Look at these ears.
They're not ears. No, they're buttons.
$34.99? That's not bad. It's not terrible. It is.
It has pockets. I feel like I might get a medium though.
Go for a medium.
Yeah, there's medium.
There you go.
There's one medium.
I think so. Take it. Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh.
See the weighted one?
Check it out. This is one of the ones that has the removable weighted pouch.
Removable?
2.5 pounds-ish. It's actually really adorable.
Yeah. $40. That's not too bad.
If your kid likes a weighted blanket
I do.
kind of thing, it's not bad.
He's a little needs a little more weight in his butt, but that's okay. They have a lot of weight in their butt.
Oh wait, I think I already got this. Sorry.
I think I'm gonna get a cake pop.
All right, what'd you get?
The 100-year cake pop. I love it.
Pooh's Corner. Just got off of Winnie the Pooh.
I hope it's not too loud because I literally have a speaker right here behind us. But 100-year cake pop.
How is it? Tastes like cake?
It's very chocolatey.
How is it compared to like the Starbucks cake pops? I don't think I've ever had a Starbucks cake pop.
It's much more fudgy.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Can I try just a little bite?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, no, I don't even just... Okay.
A little bit of Minnie's bow left.
Interesting.
Very fudgy.
Yeah, it is. It's not like fluffy.
No.
It's dense.
Starbucks
It's
is
so
much
dense.
More, like Starbucks is much more fluffy. This is a big like fudge stick.
Yeah.
Basically, but
it's a lot packed into a little dessert.
I think it was like what, $6.50? Like for this?
I have the receipt, but something like that.
I think it's like $6.50. It's not bad. I mean, it's expensive for a cake pop.
That's rich.
It is very rich.
Wow.
Like it. I'm a big sweets guy, but
I think between the two of us we can manage that. Oh, maybe not. Never mind.
we're heading back to the locker. Swap out the bag and the Yub Nub drink cup. After we're done with the locker, we're gonna go to space. We'll go from space back to the hotel, rest up a little bit, and then we'll go into DCA.
We have a Guardians reservation at like 3:30.
So I think that'll work out. I think it's 106. We'll go rest up for a little bit and then go back to DCA and ride Guardians, go and ride a couple more rides. This is not a Incredicoaster. Abby's favorite character is or